Auckland Council is a really safe and supportive learning environment. So the graduate program is built to make sure that you are supported in everything you're doing. That's the difference between coming in as a full-time employee for a normal process, is that when you come through the program, you have the support of our team, you have the support of a graduate liaison officer, you have the support of your department and the support of your cohort.
We want to see how you interact with people. So if you're in groups, I want to see, behaviours and what kind of behaviours are you demonstrating. Are you actually actively doing something in it? Are you the backbench? Are you just sitting there hoping someone else takes?
Everything in your CV needs to be really honest and authentic. So think about every element of your CV is important. Personal statement. How many of you have got a personal statement in your CV?